Welcome back. Now there are some other administrative settings that you'll find inside of the advanced options area if you go to the global defaults settings. What you'll see here if you go to the redirects tab is that you have some latitude over what individuals see when they log in. Now naturally you are going to be setting up some of these things individually for each product or membership that you create. However, you can also set some global settings for your entire site protected by Wishlist member. You also have optional settings for your protection. So for example, if you only want to show an individual content for their membership level, you can indicate that by ticking this box. You can hide your protected content in certain instances by ticking these two boxes. And basically what you're doing in all of these cases is that you are adding in more protection than just protecting your individual page. And for the most part, you'll want to do this according to your business model or your individual product. Your Wishlist member will send out emails using your system, and you will need to indicate whether you want to have reminder emails sent to individuals when they unsubscribe, as well as wanting to have anyone who's in an expired membership to be unsubscribed. And again, your other tab has other information and things that you can change. Basically what you've done is you've changed all of the basic information that you would need to know before you start protecting an individual page or set of pages for your membership. And we're now ready to start working with our individual content on our individual pages. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.